Hey, I'm Josh, the founding trader here at TSU. And if you want to understand how we help traders put fat stacks of cash in their jeans without risking a dime of their own money, let's talk. Everything we teach here at TSU fits into what I call the ultimate trading formula. Here it is. Step one, you've got to analyze, building the skill to forecast the direction a stock is likely to move. Step two, strategize. You've got to develop a consistent edge and identify qualified trade setups. And step three, monetization. This is where we practice disciplined risk management and optimize for performance. And that's it. Analyze, strategize, monetize. Successful traders commit to mastering those three disciplines and executing them with relentless consistency. Now, maybe you're thinking, that sounds great, Josh, but I really don't want to risk any of my own money. And I agree with you. Back in the late 90s, part of my personal education journey involved paying tuition to the School of Hard Knocks, giving money to traders who were far better than me. Now, fortunately, I was a broke college student at the time, so tuition was only a couple grand. But you don't have to do that today because we can now provide access to funded trading accounts. With a funded account, you're never personally liable for drawdowns. And in exchange for that safety net, you do share a portion of your profits, about 25%, with our funding partner. And here's what I love about that. Intelligent guardrails are built in automatically. These are trading disciplines that I wish we could have required years ago, and now they're part of the structure. Most importantly, you remove any emotional stress of losing your own capital, which helps you perform better as a trader. Here on this channel, you'll see regular market forecasts. Think of them like checking the weather before your day. They help you prepare for the current trading environment. Consider subscribing so you'll never miss one. You can also go back and review them and see how well we did, because I believe in candor and transparency. Go ahead, compare what we do with the noise that you hear elsewhere. I think you're going to see a difference. You'll also enjoy topical trainings that help you grow in each area of the ultimate trading formula. This channel is about building your skill and your discipline over time. We're here to help you think more like a professional trader. And here's why all this matters so much to me. TSU started in 2009 when I was teaching members of my own family how to make money trading. Word spread quickly, and by the end of the year, thousands of students had joined what I felt like was an extension of my family. It became our trading family. About 10 years into that journey, my wife and I were flying home from a nonprofit project that we were doing in Haiti. Candidly, it felt like whatever we did was just a drop in an ocean of needs. On that flight, Jen said something profound to me. She reminded me that I had a community of incredible people at TSU, and collectively we could make a real impact. And that's when it clicked. When good people have more money, they're able to do even more good things. I believe our TSU community is filled with amazing people. So if I can help you put more cash in your jeans, I'm also helping resource good in the world. Here's what we do in a nutshell. We help our community of traders build the lifestyle and legacy they dream of. Take that vacation, buy the special thing, enjoy life. Yes, lifestyle matters, and also help someone else improve their own life. That's your legacy. As a community, we actively support anti-trafficking work, local widows here in Nashville, and an orphanage in Uganda. If you want to get started, email us info@tradesmartu.com and tell us where you're at in your trading journey, your hopes, your dreams, your frustrations and struggles. We want to hear all of it. And don't forget to subscribe. We post consistently, and I'd love to earn your trust over time. I believe with all my heart that when good people have more money, they can do even more good things. I'd be honored to serve you on your trading journey as you put fat stacks of cash in your jeans. Blessings and favor on your trades. We'll talk soon.